What's up, YouTube? It's Eryan with Siegfried's Motorwerx here today. This one's a little bit different. I've had this footage filmed, not this year, but the footage that's going to follow, filmed for about 3 months now. I didn't know what I was going to do with it. I didn't know how to intro it, and it was something that I was struggling with, filming out what exactly I was going to do. That being said, I've made the decision. Starting today, December 8th, 2019, if you bring your bike to me at Siegfried's Motorwerx for a rear tire change, I don't care if you buy the tire from me or bring it with, that's your choice, if you want to save money or not, because you're going to have trouble beating my tire prices. But you bring the bike here, get your rear tire change, and if you choose to, do a burnout out here in front of this sign, and let me get a video of it for my YouTube channel. I'm giving you 15% off your labor on your rear tire change. And if you need a front tire while you're doing it, I'm giving you 15% off that labor too. But it doesn't stop there. Even though I'm already the most fairly priced motorcycle shop in the area, if you get anything else done on the same appointment as your rear tire change, I'm giving you 10% off the labor on those services as well. Spark plugs, air filters, chains, belts, I don't care what it is, exhaust installations. If it's something that we do and it's on the same appointment, I'm giving you 10% off the labor on that as well. So just another way that I'm letting everybody have fun, and another way I'm saving everybody money, which is what my main goal is. So thank you so much for watching. Now let's check out Nate on his 2018 Harley Davidson Streetglide that's powered by an M8 motor. See him light one up. Thanks so much.